Nadine Wilkins here, and my topic for today is how you can accomplish work-life balance. Now, many of my entrepreneurial parents out there, I know some of you are working remotely from home. Some of you are working 100% from home. Some of you have children that are virtual learning, or maybe you're homeschooling. There's so much going on right now that it is so important during these times for you to have some systems and things set aside so that you can accomplish the things that you've set out to accomplish. So I'm going to jump right into it with tip number one. The first thing that you want to do is you want to plan your day the night before. For those that are really structured, maybe that means you pulling out your calendar and planning every hour out throughout the day. For those of you that are not as structured, maybe you just have a list, a bulleted list of what are the biggest things that you need to accomplish for you to feel a sense of success, personally, a sense of success in your business, a sense of success in, raising your family. But the key here is you have to be intentional. You have to take the time, and maybe you spend 5 to 10 minutes thinking about how do you want the next day to look? How do you want the rest of the week to look? In order for those things to happen, you actually have to sit, you have to think, and you have to write it down. So now that you have your plan in place and we're going into the next day, one, it's important for you to have some type of morning routine in place. Maybe your morning routine is you get up, you say a prayer. And guys, when I say get up, you have to physically get out of bed. Believe me, you will fall back asleep if you don't. You hydrate yourself, you work out. Listen, you're already having wins before your children even wake up. So you're starting your day with a sense of accomplishment. And because you set your goals the day before, now you're focused on accomplishing the biggest things that you can accomplish when it comes to business and also when it comes to your personal life before 10 a.m. Listen, you don't want to check email. You don't want to go on social media until you accomplish your first big goals. Now, the last tip that I want to share, and this one is a hard one, but I'm telling you, if you put this into place, it will make your life so much easier, and you'll have so much more control over your day and how you're spending your time, so that this way you don't go throughout the day drifting or reacting to everything that comes your way, but you're actually you're conscious about how you're spending your time. So there are some apps that you may need to delete right now because it is a huge distraction. There are features. Let's say you love Instagram, right? Instagram has a great feature where you can set a timer. I have a timer set for 20 minutes. Today, I actually deleted my Gmail app. Why? Because I was spending too much time checking email throughout the day. So now I've implemented, I'm checking it twice a day. Why is that important? Because the goals that I set out the day before and my ultimate major purpose, they're so important to me that I can allow things to distract that. So if you have apps on your phone, or you find yourself checking email too much or spending too much time on social media and you're not accomplishing your goals, now is the time for you to implement whatever you need to implement to take control of your day, so that at the end of the day, you feel that you've accomplished what you've set out to accomplish in business. You've accomplished what you've set out to accomplish in your personal life. You've accomplished what you've set out to accomplish with your children, with your family, with your husband. But it is going to take you being conscious about it. So if you want to know more about this topic and other ways that you can accomplish work-life balance, you can visit my website, workwithnadine.com. And if you have a tip or a strategy that has worked very well for you, definitely post it in the comment. Listen, I love to create a community where we get to learn from each other. I hope you have a super fantastic, productive day. Take care, God bless, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.